Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a haul that I got from Joann's. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me here today. If you are new to my channel and you like things crochet, yarn, hauls, reviews, stuff like that, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button, as well as hit the bell so that you're reminded each time that I come out with a brand new video. I was so excited to find out that I actually had a Joann's in Asheville. So when I went back to pick up my glasses, which here's the new glasses, they're a little bit bigger and wider than my normal ones, or the ones that I used to have. But anyway, when I went back to pick up the glasses, I absolutely had to go to Joann's. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up while I was there. I didn't get much yarn. I know, shocking, but they didn't really have any good deals. What I did pick up, I was hoping to find some of the twinkle, like the big twist twinkle in the blue, because I really love the blue, but I didn't see any. So I did find, of course, the big twist. This is just a basic yarn. I'm not going to go over it. You guys know this is 100% acrylic worsted weight or 4-weight yarn, and they recommend a 5mm. A lot of people use 5.5. They say 6 balls of this will make an afghan, 3 balls make a sweater, 1 ball makes a hat, and 1 ball, or skein rather, makes a scarf. Okay, but that's the basics. This is just your basic yarn. So I found some colors that I have not seen before in like my Walmart, because I usually get the Walmart basic yarn. So I picked up this. It's kind of like a dusty rose, and then this was it's a different shade of gray with like a different undertone on it. So I went ahead and picked up that. That was really all the yarn I got. That was it. I got that yarn. But I had recently picked up some yarn, you know, the last time I went into Asheville. So what I did do this time, my intent was to pick up some stuff to make some stitch markers. So what I ended up picking up was a bunch of stuff for that. So here's some charms that I found, and this could be a cute little set. And I plan on making these more for giveaways and such, so that could be a cute little summery set right there. And then I got just the lobster claws, and that's just my preference. I know there's many different types of closures that you can get for them, but I got the lobster claws. And then I did get some wire, which I'm a little blurry, I know, but I got some wire. Nothing too detailed to show you on that one. And then I got these cute little animal. Some of them might be too big. I don't know, we'll see. But these cute little animal charms. You know me and my animals, so those are super duper cute. And I have other things I can use this stuff on too, not just that. And then of course I got some, I don't know what you call these. What is that thing? Jump rings. They're jump rings. So I got little jump rings. And then I also got, these are called eye pins. And then the other thing I got from, oh no, there's 2 more things. Oh, this I'll show you in a minute. That has more to do with the crochet stuff. But this, I got this pack, and then if I find that I will be making a lot of these things, I'll get nicer set of tools. But I went ahead and went with economy and got a pack of all the different types of tools that I could possibly need. So I went ahead and picked this one up. So that's it for like that kind of stuff. Now I did find one other thing, which I found these hilarious. But these little labels that you can put on your crochet. It's made by Boy. Okay. Yeah, isn't that funny? So they say, one of a kind. You better use this. And then of course, this took forever, these labels. Oh my gosh, I love that. Those are gonna go in blankets. You know that, right? Those are gonna go in blankets. Maybe not that one of the kind, but they're kind of big labels. I mean, you see, they're a little bit bigger, so it's not like something you'd put on a hat. But so that was everything that I picked up at Joann's. It wasn't a very big haul. Next time I'll probably pick up some more, or especially if there's a sale, I'll pick up more when there's a sale. But there wasn't any big deals going on when I went to Joann's at that time. So yeah, so was there anything else, anything in particular that you were excited about seeing? These cracked me up. These just cracked me up. Are there any deals that you've been able to take advantage from Joann's? And anything that I should have gotten for making stitch markers that I didn't get, let me know. Did I get something I didn't need? Let me know. I'm new to this process, so it's going to take me a little bit to really figure out exactly what I need and everything. But I can't wait to see your comments down below, and I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and you guys have an amazing day. Bye bye.